Hey, hello guys, it's Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily resolve the voice chat suspended error you get when your voice chat in Roblox certainly and randomly gets suspended. Now you can't use your voice chat anymore, and it's a very common issue. I'm going to show you a workaround on how to actually resolve this. Now it's very easy. Let's get straight into it. Watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first step that you want to take is actually go to the roblox.com website now. From there, sign into your existing account and go to the URL. Now right here, change the home for support. As you can see right here, this will take you to the contact us page. Now make sure the username is correct. From there, use your first name, your real name. Change the email address to the email address where you want to get contacted by if they find anything suspicious or something. Confirm this email address, and from there go to the issue details. Now here, choose the device where you're having the problem on, where you got the suspension. Now for me it was the PC. From there, type of health category. From there we're going to the let me find it real quick, the moderation right here. And in the moderation, we want to appeal our account. Now, it's very important that you use this description of the issue. So to Roblox support team, after checking all of your community guidelines, I can see that I have not violated any of these community rules and would appreciate it if you could look into removing my voice chat suspension. Thanks in advance. Now, if you use this is very likely that you get your voice chat back from the moderation of Roblox. Simply submit it, press continue, and that should be about it. Now, if you get any questions, leave them in the comments. I would highly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thanks for watching.